Just wanted to give a quick review on the whole coaching program and let some others know about kind of my experience. But I've been listening to the podcast for probably 8 or 9 months before I decided to jump in and really take a stab at it. And I knew that a lot of the information, if not all the information, was on the podcast if you wanted to go ahead and get started. But for me, I really needed the support from coaches and a community that could help me along the way. And that's really what I got out of this. And I just am so fortunate and appreciative of everybody that has helped me along the way. And anyone that's thinking about joining, I would say it's completely worth it, 100%. And if you are ever on the fence about it, don't be, because if it's in you to take the steps and do what you're told to do, you're going to do it. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for helping me out along the way, and I appreciate it.